Hi everyone, this is Mukta Salgaonkar, Event Coordinator at Trinity International School. Creativity is allowing yourself to make mistakes. Art is knowing which ones to keep. Insanity is doing the same thing the same way over and over while expecting different results. We have all heard this saying and often apply its wisdom to reasons to change negative life habits. However, this statement can also be applied to the creative process and scientific innovation. World Creativity and Innovation Day provides people with an excuse to try to solve old problems in new ways with the potential of finding better and more effective methods to accomplish our goals. No humdrums day-to-day sameness. Instead, it is time to open that creative center no matter how far inside the mind it has been buried and try to be part of making the world a better place. So let's begin with the history of World Creativity and Innovation Day. In 1452, a man was born who would set the standards for what it meant to be a Renaissance man, excelling in both the arts and the sciences. He was involved with invention, mathematics, music, geology, astronomy, just to name a few. In just about anything he turned his mind or hand to, Leonardo da Vinci made significant advances. In fact, this man was seen as the utterly perfect example for universal genius, and his logical approach to the world was truly advanced and unusual for his time. And although he was admittedly unique, that doesn't mean others can't take a cue from him and try to think in innovative ways as well. World Creativity and Innovation Day was established to encourage everyone to dig deep and find their own inner Da Vinci. Creativity and innovation are beneficial in every walk of life, occupation, and career. From those in customer service, finding ways to improve their customers' experiences, to scientists whose every workday is filled with learning new things about the world and finding new ways to apply it. From politicians who could use their creativity to find new ways to solve problems and aid the public, to medical workers who can seek out new ways of doing things that will protect their patients as well as society. With efforts supported by the United Nations, World Creativity and Innovation Day encourages every individual to imagine what it would be like to live in a better world with different solutions and more cooperation. World Creativity and Innovation Day could be the day that set the world on a whole new path. Now the question is how to celebrate World Creativity and Innovation Day. I have an idea. I have my creative journal and I have created a lot of different activities in this. Today I would like to share the activity which I have made with my palm. I have found a fish in my palm. How about you? Try to find something in your palm too and send it to me on Facebook comment box just below this video. Happy World Creativity and Innovation Day to each and every one.